Assalamu alaikum everyone, you're watching Guidance for Mankind and I'm Shaz. Today's, as you know that we are in a series of Tafsir Al Fatihah, and let's see today's topic. Now today's topic is number of words and letters in Al Fatihah, and the scholars say that Al Fatihah contains of 25 words and that it contains 113 letters. As you have seen now, the number of words and number of letters, in Surah Al Fatihah. If you had this information, then Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. And if you gain some information, then please, in either way, share this video to the maximum audience so that somebody else could also get benefited from this video. With that, to say that you'll take care of yourself and everyone with whom you interact. Allow me to leave until next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu wa maghfiratuh.